A floppy disk is a type of disk storage composed of a thin and flexible disk of a magnetic storage medium in a square or nearly square plastic enclosure lined with a fabric that removes dust particles from the spinning disk. Floppy disks were so common in late 20th century culture that many electronic and software programs continue to use save icons that look like floppy disks well into the 21st century, while floppy disk drives still have some limited uses, especially with legacy industrial computer equipment. They have been superseded by data storage methods with much greater data storage capacity and data transfer speed, such as USB flash drives, memory cards, optical disks, and storage available through local computer networks and cloud storage. Floppy disks store data magnetically on a flexible, circular disk coated with a magnetic material, using a read/write head to access and manipulate the data. Floppy disks, like hard drives, store information using magnetic fields on a thin, flexible disk coated with a magnetic material. The disk surface is divided into concentric tracks, and each track is further divided into sectors, which are like segments of the track. A read/write head, located inside the floppy disk drive, moves across the disk surface to access the data stored on the tracks and sectors. The read/write head uses magnetic polarization to write data onto the disk, and to retrieve this information. A stepper motor precisely positions the read/write head over the desired track. The data is encoded using binary numbers, 0 and 1, which correspond to the north and south poles of a magnet. CD, compact disc, and DVD, digital versatile disc, are both optical storage media used to store digital data, but DVDs offer significantly higher storage capacity and are primarily used for video and high-quality audio, while CDs are mainly used for audio and data storage. DVDs typically hold much more data than CDs. A standard DVD can store around 4.7 gigabytes of data, while a CD holds about 700 megabytes. CDs are primarily used for audio, while DVDs are designed for video and high-quality audio, as well as data storage. DVDs use a laser with a shorter wavelength, 650 nanometers, compared to CDs, 780 nanometers, to read and write data, allowing for smaller pits and higher density. DVDs have a higher data transfer rate than CDs. While both are circular discs, DVDs have a slightly different physical structure, with data layers closer to the center of the disc. The compact disc, CD, is a digital optical disc data storage format that was co-developed by Philips and Sony to store and play digital audio recordings. It uses the compact disc digital audio format, which typically provides 74 minutes of audio on a disc. In later years, the compact disc was adapted for non-audio computer data storage purposes as CD-ROM and its derivatives. The DVD stands for Digital Video Disc or Digital Versatile Disc, is a digital optical disc data storage format. It was invented and developed in 1995 and first released on November 1, 1996. The medium can store any kind of digital data and has been widely used to store video programs, software, and other computer files. DVDs offer significantly higher storage capacity than compact discs, CD, while having the same dimensions. A standard single-layer DVD can store up to 4.7 gigabytes of data, a dual-layer DVD up to 8.5 gigabytes. Dual-layer, double-sided DVDs can store up to a maximum of 17.08 gigabytes. CD, first presented in 1913, was an early device that used light for both recording and playback of sound signals on a transparent photograph. Video CD, VCD, became one of the first formats for distributing digitally encoded films in this format. In 1993-16, in the same year, two new optical disc storage formats were being developed. One was the multimedia compact disc, MMCD,